under the curse. All right, YouTubes. Sunday morning, I'm heading out for a 3-door drink cooler. Man, this one's been kicking my butt. Years ago I put a compressor in it. Maybe like 10 years ago. It made it till February. That's probably my guy right there. Let's see. No. Okay. So I put a compressor in it in February. It's worked great till now. I went out there on Friday, I think it was Friday. The thermostat chunked out, and it was original recipe thermostat. Got that replaced. I noticed one of the evaporator fan motors was done. Replaced that. The condenser fan motor was making noise, so we're like, yeah, let's replace that too. And now they're saying it's not cooling. And I got a suspicion that the cap tubes are partially restricted. He's saying it won't get below 50. And I don't know, man. Maybe he's got a bad thermometer. But let's get out there. I'll take you guys out there. We'll go take a look at it. Oh, look, new paint job up there at Upper Crust. That's cool. Oh, oh, field piece probes went Mr. Tippins on me. You guys all drinking together. I think I'm gonna take the roll around in there today because I want to throw some stuff in it. So let's get the knee pads on. That's why I bought the roll-around bag. Four-wheel drive this thing with a bunch of stuff in it. Let's get in there. All right, so it made it to set point and turned off. This gauge up here does not read right at all. The one in the back does. I'd have to... Dude, I just spent a half hour trying to hook up the stupid field piece because the field piece app, you still have to log into their app, which is garbage. I had to re-download the Measure Quick app. Let's see. I'm at 39 degrees there, 50 degrees over there. I think the cap tube on this coil is the one that's goofy. I'm going to confirm that when it runs. I got 2 coils in there. And I'm almost 10 degrees apart. I didn't really film a lot with the GoPro, man. It was all under there and everywhere. Yeah, I got my flashlight in there. And I'll show you what I came up with. So the cap tubes back blew fine. Tons of pressure coming out of the cap tube, so they weren't plugged. This is what I got going now. So I got my thermometers on the backs of the 2 coils. The right one's coming out at 36.6. The left one's coming out at 38.7 and dropping. So they're within a couple degrees of each other. I'm right at a 20-degree evaporator. Put 22 ounces in. I added a couple ounces because I put a CO83 dryer in. The charge on this is 19 ounces. What I think I found might be the issue right here, where the pipe comes out. Look at that. I don't know if you can see down in there. This is the suction line that comes out of the Y branch for the 2 coils. And probably over the years, pulling the condensing units in and out, working on it, it twisted up the suction line. Look at that. And it twisted it up good. You can only find that by taking out the insulation. Now, I was thinking I had some plug cap tubes. But look down in there. Can you see down in there? That right there is my problem. Believe it or not, it was still working. Unbelievable, but that's what I came up with. So I had to redo everything under there. And that's the way it goes sometimes. Let's see. So you can see I got my 2 field pieces. Now I had a hell of a time. I still couldn't get on the field piece app. I don't know if they got blown up with that cyber attack on Friday or what. But I can't log into that stupid thing. And I hate the fact that you have to log into their app. That's where Testo's better. But I'm using the Measure Quicks coming through like it always does. I just can't get on the Testo app. I hate that app so much. It almost makes me want to sell the probes and get rid of them. Yeah, they're within 1 degree right there. And my suction pressure looks good. Charges. I think this thing's gonna kick ass now. So, man, that was a finder. You get on these old True units, you only get so many times of pulling that condensing unit back and forth before that line set's gonna go to dookie. Especially for you new guys, you really got to check it. I'm an old timer and got burned on it. That's for me. I'm the only one that's been working on this thing. So, and I changed that compressor about 10 years ago, and then I just changed it in February. So then I did the condenser fan motor, I did an evaporator fan. So that's probably from me pulling that thing back and forth. So, the way everything looks right now, we're looking good. Looking good.